everyone. My name is JC Muhammad Al-Ghifari from PT Handal Informasi Teknologi. Here, let me tell you what is Grafana, what can we do with Grafana, and what can we get with Grafana. Okay, what is Grafana? Grafana is an open source software that enables you to query, visualize, alert, and explore your metrics, logs, and trace wherever they are stored. Now, let's see if you has an what is an application, a web server. It is always running, and you want to know what's going on in there. So like what is for example the machine, you want to see the CPU, how much is here, how much percentage is using, how many it's using its memory. And here it's the logs. It's what happened. For example, if this connecting connection, this is connecting to somewhere, it's connecting to database and else. And this the trace. Same if like we get an API, it's from where to where and how much the connection take to how many seconds the durations it needs to from one API to another API. It's here we got use it to trace, and here whatever happen we can use this, we can Grafana to use visualize what is happening and make alert and correlations. And here's the Grafana architecture. Here we so from whatever you observability tools, you can use OpenTelemetry, you can use Prometheus. It is whatever your machine, it's whether it's Linux, it's Kubernetes, it's Java, it's your application, Go, Java, .NET Core, it's whatever. Graphite, this tools we have Grafana Alloy. It's again that we can get it those metrics, those logs, those trace, and visualize it in our database and collectors. Grafana is unique because it's amplify your existing investment. You don't need Grafana doesn't replace what you already have then make it everything one waste, not, but we can use Grafana coexist together with it what you already have. Bring teams and data together without having to move all your data to Grafana. Grafana with Grafana's lab first pane of glass, you can immediately visualize, alert, correlate data no matter where the data lives. And with plugins and with our partners, we can work with almost everyone. Here, with Grafana, observability is a journey, not a destination. With Grafana, your data observability is more siloed than ever. And because of that, with Grafana, you can immediately visualize, alert, and correlate data. And with Grafana, you can scale with confidence, and purpose boot logging system help your developer to get the most out of their logs at a fraction of the cost. Here it's an example of a Grafana dashboard. Here you can say it's use AppDynamic, it can use Prometheus, and what other tools. And also Grafana is open source, so we are working with very many people to make this happens. And it is what Grafana. Let's move to the demo. Here's a demo of what a Grafana interface is. What is so good about Grafana is very customizable. You can make Grafana to be what you want its appearance. Here it says it's the home page. You can edit it, you can whatever, you can make it into another so immediately go to dashboard. For example, here we let's say for example you have a Linux many Linux server. Here you can see one of the dashboard. Here you can get the overview all of your Linux server. For example, there are 4 Linux server. You can see the list to the of the name, and here's the general look of what itu what is CPU usage and memory usage for each of those. And if you want to go to detail, for example, you want to see this Linux server in your Node 1 compute. Here you can just one click and you can get the detail of that one Linux server. Here's the general metrics of that Linux server. And what if you want to talk a little more to about the memory? Memory is a bit higher. You can get more focus to the memory. Yep, sorry. Just look at the memory. Just need the shortcut memory, and you can get the more detailed look in the memory matrix in the EU Node 1 your server. Here we can get the more data, and here we can also just drag the graph for look more detail, and we already get the more detailed in the time span you are want to know about. Here you see that you can very easy navigate and look to matrix data what you want and to immediately solve it. Here, this is for example if you Linux server. Let's see another example. It's an application. For example, this is an application. Let's see in a Go application in Kubernetes. Here we can see what's happening on their application, where when it's running the operations. We can see the logs, what is happening. We can see the trace. When the transaction happen, and we can get more detailed look. And here what happening at the business transaction, and we also can get the service map. There's so many things that we can do. And if in another example, if you have Kubernetes infrastructure, here we can immediately get the overview, the data, the metrics, everything you need to know about your microservice Kubernetes. You can get more about the data about clusters, about what's happening in the cluster memory. Even you can get with Grafana calculation, we can get itu a prediction and generation cost of your Kubernetes microservice. Alright, that's it from me. I hope it's it. I hope it will be good for